ways do you work with the existing tattoo when you're working on a cover-up?
One thing about cover-up tattooing is you're not really covering the old tattoo. You're mixing a new tattoo with the old tattoo. When it's all done and healed and settled, the old pigments and the new pigments end up settling in the same layers of skin. So you really have to be able to use what was already there in your new piece. So it's important to look at the thing that you're covering before you start and figure out which are the most difficult things to cover. Where are the strongest outlines? Where are the strongest black shapes? And then try to actually use those things to your advantage. If there's a big line somewhere in a major part of the piece that is going to cut right through some important shape of yours, ask if there's some way that that shape can use at least parts of that line. You might be surprised at the interesting and otherwise unexpected decisions you'll make in drawing when responding to these unwanted old tattoos. Sometimes it'll even give you things you wouldn't have ever thought of before that are so cool that you'll keep them in your vocabulary even on things that aren't cover-ups. That's one of the reasons why I love the cover-up challenge.
Thanks for watching. If you'd like to continue on to the next video, click here. To start from the beginning of the series, click here. And if you'd love to get into a robust curriculum to elevate your tattoos, you can follow this link right here.